Hello world! Today we'll be cooking with tofu! Tofu is an extremely versatile food staple, high in protein, low in carbs, and full of endless recipe possibilities. This is the tofu we are working with today, unfrozen, extra firm tofu. If you want to experiment with texture, you can also freeze your tofu, but it gives a totally different texture. You can even do it twice if you like. There are many herbs, spices, and sauces you can use to make amazing flavors and transform your relatively tasteless legume cube into delicious dishes, from crumbly breakfast scrambles to creamy pudding desserts and everything in between. But this is what we'll be working with today. This recipe is for up to 400 grams of tofu. Some ingredients, like fat or oil, are easily substituted. Just be aware of cooking temperatures for your oil of choice. Ingredients you will need: 350 to 400 grams of extra firm tofu, or 1 brick, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black salt, 1/8 teaspoon each fresh or dried basil and parsley, 1 tablespoon of fat or oil of your choice. I prefer butter-flavored coconut oil, and optionally 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. You will additionally need long sleeve shirt, frying pan, spatulas, 1 sharp chef's knife, a digital thermometer, a scale, measuring spoons, mixing bowls, a fire extinguisher just in case, and because I'm cooking with hot oil, some closed-toed shoes. Step 1. Over a sink or basin, open tofu and drain out excess water by squeezing gently and rotating. Don't squeeze too hard. If you like a drier texture, you can wrap the tofu in cheesecloth and squeeze more water out. I like to use fresh, clean paper towel on the outside to help absorb the moisture. Step 2. Weigh drained tofu. This is an important step, as many tofu companies do not give the same weight per package. They only have a minimum they must reach, but you can end up with 20 to 100 grams over what's stated on the package. Accidentally over or under flavoring your tofu can end up in disaster. Step 3. Turn on stove to medium. Measure your fat or oil. Add to pan as it heats. Step 4. While the pan is heating, cut your tofu into 1 centimeter cubes. The smaller the cube, the faster the cooking time, so be careful. Step 5. Check the temperature of your pan. You want your pan between 170 and 205 degrees Celsius. Once you add the tofu to the pan, cook time will be between 15 and 20 minutes. Carefully add your tofu. Give a nice stir. Make sure it's nice and evenly coated. Let cook for 2 to 5 minutes before giving it another stir or flip. Add black salt, basil, and if dry, parsley. If you have fresh parsley, you'll add it towards the end. Add 1/3 to 1/2 of pre-measured nutritional yeast. Give it a nice stir or flip. Step 6. Cook an additional 2 to 5 minutes before giving it another stir. Repeat this step 1 to 2 more times. Add the rest of the nutritional yeast and sesame seeds. Give it a good stir. Cook 2 more minutes or until desired texture or crispiness. An additional 3 to 10 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes. Step 7. Turn off stove, remove from heat. Plate some veg and rice or a nice baked potato. Add your protein, salt and pepper if you desire, and finally top off with an additional sprinkle of nutritional yeast and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. You can make it your own by adding all sorts of ingredients. Thank you so much. Much love. Until next time.